Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be covering DIY Bridesmaid Proposal Boxes. Now I'm so excited about these boxes to give to my bridesmaids, and I wanted to share that project with you all. So in my bridesmaids boxes, they look like this, which is the rose gold color is the color of my wedding. Oh, sorry. So once my bridesmaids open these boxes, there's a nice little card up at the top. And then I also have pictures of myself and this specific bridesmaids that will get this box. All of my boxes are specifically catered to that bridesmaid. So then she can remove this paper. And then so small little trinkets. I have tea, I have wine, a glass, bubble bath, pedicure things. So any little small trinket that you can find for your bridesmaids will go perfect in this box. If you'd like to see how I decorated and how I made these boxes, stay tuned.
I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter. I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good.
Hello! We got gifts. It's me. This one is yours, the first one.
Me? I got
And this one's yours.
And this one's
I bought you a gift too.
Thank you so
Oh yeah, and
This
that's
one's edible.
Okay. Oh, that's cute. I just seen what it was. Oh, that's so cute. Talking about don't act surprised. Whoa. Let's see what's in there.
Read your top.
I'm getting hitched
and I need my bitch. I like that.
That's cute. That was a cute idea.
Yes. So we went hiking. This is when Tootie was going to prom.
That's so cute.
We
That's
just
a
went
good
to the
idea.
store and bought wine, girl.
Well, there you go. Now y'all got some little wines.
Thank you. I love it. That's so cute. Sass's birth. That's definitely me.
Sassy since birth.
Yeah, I love it. Thank you. Oh,
Yeah.
I love it. Thank you.